Creosote is really this. It's incomplete combustion. It could be caused by a number of different things. Too sluggish of a draft, wet wood, just the way we operate our fireplaces, and maybe the missizing of a fireplace. Maybe it's being choked down too much and the gases can't get up out of there. It can come in different forms. Number one form is kind of a dusty material. The next is kind of a crunchy, almost like a Kellogg's cornflake. The third way is more of a tar. That tar gets on there, it's very flammable and it must be taken care of. Number three, that's a really dangerous material because once it heats up, it can expand very fast and catch on fire. Once creosote is mixed with water, it's very acidic and causes damage on mortar joints and flue tiles and the exterior of the brick also. Another thing it does, it actually has a volatile gas that can be turned into a horrible fire, a chimney fire. 50% of the fireplaces we've cleaned that have a chimney fire didn't even know they had it. People ask me, well, fireplaces have creosote. It can't be that bad. Creosote is not supposed to be in a system. It's supposed to be complete combustion. Fire is not supposed to be in a smoke chamber or the flue. Creosote is not your friend. A lot of times people call me because they have a very pungent smell. And you'll know if it's creosote. A lot of times if the air conditioner first kicks on in the summertime, it's bringing those odors down in the house and dispersing them throughout the house. It's time to get that problem resolved. There are some chemical cleaners you can buy at hardware stores in powder or liquid form. That doesn't remove it. What it does is changes the consistency from a glazy or crunchy back down to a dusty, sweepable material. If it's very, very bad, there are some chemical coatings that you put on, almost like an icing, all the way up through the whole system. It dries that creosote, and that can be taken out after that. We've been a specialized chimney contractor for almost 40 years now. We have skill sets that most people in the industry don't understand. We try to expose that by our training with our videos and our training classes to our servicemen. And we use the best materials out there to protect our customers and our service people. Clay Lamb, American Chimney, serving all of Greater Cincinnati, 662-4600.